I'm Solomon, this is Jonas. I'm reporting on quiz number 8. So, number 1, one's asking or is saying a far-sighted person's right eye has a near point that is 1,200 millimeters in front of the eye to enable the eye to see an object at a normal near point of 25 centimeter. What is the power in diopters of a contact lens needed? So power is equal to 1 over distance of the object plus 1 over distance of the image. So I have that set up here. So 1 over 0.25 plus 1 over negative 1.2, which gives us about 3.166. Now for B, it's asking what is the power of lens needed in diopters that is placed 15 millimeter from the front of the eye. So what I did here was 0.25 minus 0.015, which gives me 0.235. Then 1.2 minus 0.015 equals 1.185. And then it's just plugging in. And when I plug it in, I get 3.4114.